Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth's on there, go right down to the bottom, then we go to these two kind of coggy things, the top button next to the Tune OK button. So click there, radio, Bluetooth, turn the rotary control to Bluetooth, click it, that goes to OK. You've got Bluetooth, add a Bluetooth device, click add a Bluetooth device. Watch out to the bottom here, it's looking for, search for Ford Transit on your device to start pairing, and there you go, it's come up Ford Transit. Click Ford Transit, Bluetooth pairing request 280426. Barry's iPhone 10 is trying to pair, does pin 280426 match. So yes, if it didn't, I mean it will. Sometimes it picks up a car going past, it's that sensitive. So I'll click pair there. Excuse me. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. I won't be using this again, but you will. So there you go, Ford Transit connected, Barry's iPhone 10 connected, confirmed selection. So that's it. That's it done. It's saying unable to download contacts. That's because I clicked no, but it would do yours. So I'll just click to close, click close there, and there you go. That's it. Now